Hi guys, I'm Vijita Das and I'm a professional physical design engineer. According to my experience, I faced some of the popular questions from CMOS that have been asked by the interviewers in semiconductor companies. So today I'm going to talk about two most popular questions from CMOS. Those are design of CMOS NAND gate and design of CMOS NOR gate. So let's get started. So first we'll be talking about CMOS NAND gate. So we know that NAND gate means what? Let's say output is Y. Let's say inputs are A and B. So this will be the equation Y equals to A dot B whole bar. So this is the equation for NAND gate. Now for CMOS we know that CMOS consists of both PMOS and NMOS. PMOS and NMOS. Right, we know this already. So let's say there is a VDD. We know the CMOS structure, how it will be. Power up network. I'm making a block. I'm making it in short. Power up network, that is PUN, should always be connected to a VDD. Let's say these are the inputs coming. And power up network should be made up of PMOS. So let's make it as input as VP, and power down network should be made up of NMOS, which should be connected to ground, and output should come out from here. So this is the main CMOS structure. So power up network should be connected to VDD, that is PMOS should be connected to VDD, NMOS should be connected to ground, and from here output should come out. Right. So with this concept only we will be doing NAND gate. Right. Now before we start doing NAND gate, we need to make sure we know two things. First is for dot operation. NAND means dot operation. For NOR, that is plus operation. So for dot operation, NMOS should always be connected in series, and for dot operation, PMOS should always be connected in parallel. Just the opposite, for plus operation, NMOS should always be connected in parallel, and PMOS should always be connected in series. So these two things are the most important. With this reference only we can easily design CMOS NAND gate. So first we will be having VDD, which should be connected to PMOS. Now for dot, PMOS should be connected in parallel. That means we have input A and B. So both A and B should be connected in parallel. How it should be connected? It should be connected like this. We know that for PMOS there should be a bubble. One input is A, another input is B, and this is PMOS. Correct? And now for dot, NMOS should be connected in series. So how it will be? It will be like this. And NMOS should always be connected to ground. So for NMOS there will be no bubbles. A, B are the two inputs, and output should come out from here. So our output is Y, because our equation is Y equals to A dot B whole bar. Right. So this is CMOS NAND gate. So PMOS is connected to VDD, where A and B are connected in parallel, and NMOS, this is NMOS. NMOS is connected to ground, where A and B are in series, and output is coming out from here in terms of Y. Okay, so this is CMOS NAND gate. See how easy it is. Next is CMOS NOR gate. So for CMOS NOR gate also, PMOS should be connected to VDD, right? Now for NOR gate, what we know, y equals to a plus b whole bar. This should be the equation, right? Y equals to a plus b whole bar. So for plus operation, PMOS should be connected in series. Now A and B should be connected in series like this. So for PMOS there will be bubble. For PMOS there will be bubble A, this is B. And NMOS should be connected in parallel. NMOS should be connected in parallel. So just the opposite of NAND gate. See? So one input is A and the input is B and it is connected to ground. So this is NMOS, this is PMOS and output should come out from here as Y. So this is the structure of CMOS NOR gate where PMOS is connected to VDD and A and B are in series and NMOS is connected to ground where A and B are in parallel and output is coming out from in between NMOS and PMOS as Y. So this is the structure of CMOS NOR gate. This is the structure of CMOS NAND gate. So I hope you all enjoyed this one and you all understood it clearly. So I will be coming up with another new video with another popular question of CMOS in our next video. So till then, keep learning and stay safe. Thank you for watching this video.